verb to be. Am, is, are. Hello, students. Today we will learn the verb to be. The verb to be is the most important verb in English. The verb to be helps us talk about who we are, how we feel, and where we are. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Repeat after me. I am. I am Carlos. You are. You are Carlos. He is. He is Carlos. She is. She is Daniela. It is. It is a dog. We are. We are friends. You are. You are students. They are. They are intelligent. Great job! Today you learned the verb to be. Remember, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Practice every day. See you in the next class.